Hey everybody, it's Mr. Marno here and the rest of the science crew here for physical science. We're going to do our first lab, what we would have done in regular school, and we're going to do a lab on constant motion or constant speed. And so in this lab, what you would have done if you were here is we would have laid out these meter sticks on the ground. They're evenly spaced at how many meters apart?
3.
They are evenly spaced at 3 meters apart. And what we would have done is that we would have had you walk down this path at as constant a speed as possible. So not speeding up or slowing down, trying to go the same speed going that way. And then we have people lined up over here on the side, and they're going to time how long it takes me to get from here to Mr. Marcotte. And then Mr. Durezzo will time how long it takes me to get to him. And then Mr. Rin will time me how long it takes to get to him. And then Mr. Mitchell will time how long it takes me to get to him. And that will be the entire length of the walk and the entire time it takes me to do it. And then we would have taken that data and put it in a data table for you guys to analyze, or at least not analyze, but at least look to see what is the relationship between the distance that I walked, the time it took me to walk there, and the speed that I'm walking at. So that's basically the 3 things that we're looking to find the relationship between: the speed, the distance, and the time for an object that is moving at constant speed. So we're going to do this in shifts. I'm going to go first, and then we're going to get other volunteers to go. You're going to give me, I'm going to go a 3, 2, 1, and when after 1, everybody's going to hit start their timer. So ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo!
Oh yeah. Roll it, flying Bob. Roll with it. Stop. Cool. And now, who's next?
Shovel down. Shift down.
All right.
Shift.
Rotate. And this is Mr. Marcotte.
Hi guys. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, look at you go. Woo!
Knees.
Woo!
Tiny, tiny.
Woo!
Excellent.
All right. Mr. Marcotte needs a breather now.
Out.
All right. This is
Ready?
Mr. Durezzo.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, Mr. Durezzo calmly walking down the hallway.
Well, he's got flip-flops.
Oh, he's got flip-flops.
May I have your attention, please?
Excellent.
Reminder, there is a faculty
That is
meeting.
Mrs. Chapman making an announcement.
That starts at 9:15.
Now you have bad knees.
Towards the film, please log in.
Gonna go.
This is Mr. Rin.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! He's the youngest person here, so he
Yeah.
can
You
run.
can run.
Oldest, oldest.
All right.
All right, rotating. And here comes Mr. Mitchell. This is Mr. Mitchell.
Well, we're going.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Yeah.
What we
Wow.
do for these people.
Very good. Come on, see what you some.
Look at you. Holy
He's
moly.
got calves on him though.
That's awesome.
Woo!
All right, so that was the conclusion of the lab. We all walked or ran or hopped or whatever at different rates, but all of those speeds were constant for each runner. And now our goal here is that we're going to give you the data that goes with it, and we're going to talk about how we're going to show that data on either a data table or whatever the case may be. So, yes?
Can you introduce me?
Oh, yes. And this is Ms. Mangiarelli. So she's been going the whole time, so she's the other teacher. So from all of us here in A21,
8. Oh, yeah.
what?
Yeah, 8-2.
A21, thanks a lot and good luck everybody. Bye.